topic, students. Next topic, name of the next topic is what? Magnetic field due to electric current. We know that, till now we know that if I take if I take suppose one conductor, okay, let me take one conductor. In that through that conductor, current is flowing. How much current is flowing? I. Okay. Due to this current, we know that some magnetic field will be generated around the what? Conductor. Okay. What is that magnetic field direction? I don't know. So let that direction of the magnetic field will be what? In this direction. B bar. बरोबर? Due to current is flowing, magnetic field is produced in this direction. Suppose magnetic field makes an angle of theta with whom? Direction of current. Direct that magnetic field is making an angle of what? That length of the wire. Okay, length of the wire is what? This particular length. So due to this magnetic field, force is what? Induced. And that force is called magnetic force. Magnetic force. Okay. So according to the that particular Faraday's law or that particular magnetic field or that due to what? Electric current, magnetic field is generated. Due to magnetic field, there is some magnetic force is there. And what is the formula for magnetic force? To remember this formula, students, you have to remember like this: I love Bharat. Okay, I love Bharat. We can say here L bar and B bar are what? Vector quantity. That's why F bar is also vector quantity. So you have to remember I into L into B. What is I stands for? Electric current. How much current is what? Flowing. What is L stands for? Length of the conductor. And what is B bar stands for? Magnetic field, magnetic induction. B bar को हम लोग magnetic induction भी बोलते हैं. Okay? So students, I want to find magnitude. So magnitude find करने के बाद, what is the actual formula for cross product? You know the formula for cross product. L into B into what? Sine theta. So this is the formula for magnet of F bar can be written as F also. So what is the formula for magnetic force? I love Bharat sine theta. You won't make any sentence. I love Bharat. I love India. इस तरह से I love Bharat sine theta. अभी next question is what? If these theta have two possibilities, theta can be 90 degree or theta can be what? 0 degree. So according to that, magnetic force will be there. So if theta is 90 degree, so what is the force? You can say sine 90 is how much? 1. So what is the formula? I love Bharat. When theta is what? 90 degree. Okay. And when theta is what? 0 degree. What is the sine 0? 0. The force at that point is what? 0. Okay. So this is what? These are two conditions for magnetic force when theta is what? 0. Okay. So on the basis of this particular phenomenon, we have studied in 10th standard what? Electric motor, electric generator also. Okay. Same thing we are going to study over here. Okay. So already the that phenomenon or theory of what? This particular force when theta is 90, when theta is 0. Okay, don't worry. So this is what simple explanation about what? Magnetic field due to electric current. Now everyone is asking, sir, we understood, chalo theek hai, we understood the concept of this particular magnetic field and electric current, but we want marks in the exam. Which type of question and what question they are going to ask and how much weightage is carried. Okay, so you just now my intention is always what? Getting marks. Now I will show you the question and the answer type explanation. So what exactly we are going to study in this topic? The first statement, because this is very important statement. Why? Because on the basis of this statement I am going to derive three derivation we are going to derive. Okay, so just understand this ampere circuital law. Okay, I'm going to dictate this particular what do you say statement. Definitely maybe or may not be you will understand, but I will show by mathematically, then definitely you can write the statement. Okay, using mathematical expression. So students, all of you concentrate. First let me write the mathematical expression. Consider the mathematical expression. The line integral, listen students, the line integral. So let me write down integration, and line integral matlab what? Length. So line integral of magnetic field of induction B bar. Okay, listen up. Line integral of magnetic field of magnetic induction B bar over any closed path. This particular symbol stands for what? Closed path. There is no gap. Okay, the path should be closed. Barabar? And we are going to, when we take closed path, we will take dot product. This is what? Dot product. Okay, is equal to is equal to absolute permeability of free space. Now we know epsilon naught. Epsilon naught is called permittivity of free space and mu naught is called permeability of free space. अब ये क्या होता है permeability? When I will teach magnetism, that time you will clear. ठीक है, जिन्होंने 11th स्टैंडर्ड में मैग्नेटिज्म नहीं सीखा होगा, जिनको याद नहीं होगा, नहीं होता ना सर, इज नॉट कंपलसरी कि सर ईच एंड एवरीथिंग वी कैन रिमेंबर, बट डोंट वरी, फर्स्ट नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड द एम्पियर सर्कुलर लॉ, such parameters, those who wanted what, I want more explanation, sir. Don't worry, I will explain. When magnetism will come, that time you will understand. Let it be. Now again, I'm going to repeat. All of you concentrate. This is still statement is not completed. Line integral of magnetic field of magnetic induction B bar over any closed path is equal to absolute permeability of free space times मतलब multiplication times total current flowing through the area mu not multiplied by R bounded by the closed path. So this is what mathematical expression for Ampere circular law. Again, I am going to repeat. All of you concentrate. Line integral of magnetic field of magnetic induction B bar over any closed path is equal to absolute permeability of free space times total current bounded by the path. Hope so you understood this particular statement.